my name is Autumn, and today we're going to be learning how to do the princess spin. A prerequisite for this one, we're going to need to know how to do the backwards figure eight and also the forwards figure eight. This trick is pretty simple as long as you have drilled your backwards and forwards figure eight. So we're gonna start off on this side. I'm facing my left side with my right hand with the Flowstar, starting in a backwards figure eight, and I'm just going to extend my arm outwards. So you wanna start this spin whenever you extend your hand out. I'm gonna take a step, I'm gonna put all my weight onto my left leg, and I'm gonna step with my right one. And then whenever your star gets behind you at this point, you want to flick your wrist so that you can go into your forward figure eight over here. So backwards figure eight, spin at the same time as you're extending it, and then go into your forward figure eight over here. You can put your leg back down over here to give it more of the spinning effect. So you're lifting your leg up over here, backwards figure eight, and you just kind of do a little hop so that you can put your leg down over here and go into your forward figure eight. And then we're just gonna scoop over and come back over this way. And that's how you do the princess spin. If you liked today's video, go ahead and like and subscribe for more tutorials.